Hello, YouTube, and welcome to Brenda's Bread Moments. Don't forget to subscribe and leave your comments below. Today, I want to tell you about some goodies that I gathered. I went to Micheals and found out that they had these $4 grab bags. So here are my grab bags, $4 grab bags from Micheals. So everybody know that grab bags have surprises inside. So I'm going to open each bag and share the content with you. And please don't forget to subscribe and comment. And of course, we got a word for you at the end of this segment. So let's begin with this first bag right here. I'm excited because it's almost like Christmas. I went to two Micheals. One Micheals didn't have grab bags, and then another Micheals that I went to, they had them. I don't know if they were sold out. I didn't ask, but I just asked. So this grab bag here we have some little pink mini roses. Ooh, it's a lot of goodies in here, which we could use to make arrangements for home or the church or even for someone's special occasion. Put them in a goodie bag when you make a basket to go see the sick. Here's some twine that you can use. Sometimes I see the young people take these across a bulletin board with the clothespins and put photos on them. Let's see what else is in here. Ooh, got lots of they're called I guess just bunches. These are called spring florals, okay, and these are originally $2. So this whole bag of stuff here, this whole bag right here was only $4, and it's loaded down, and this is only the first bag. So let's see what else is in here. More and more. Oh, I have yellow ones too. So as you can see, I'd say about maybe $20 or $30 worth of miniature silk flowers here, the roses, and I love roses. So, okay, also here's some nail files, which I can place in goodie bags for people at the church or for birthdays, or even just put in my own collection of nail care. But these are nail files, and these were originally $4.99. They went down to 49 cents, and here they are in the $4 gift grab bag. So that's pretty cool. Here are some more roses. So I can say maybe I have about 12 bunches of these pink, white, and yellow mini roses, and they're $2 a piece, a bunch. Oh, wow, this is really nice. This is a tweezer set, it's called Beauty Bar Compact Tweezer Set, and they're rose gold. That's pretty nice. And this was originally $6.99. It had went down on clearance for 69 cents, and it has its own carrying case. And there's three sets of tweezers in here. That's very nice. And okay, here's another one. So I got two of these in the grab bag. And these, like I said, they originally were $6.99. They went on clearance for 69 cents. So that's one whole grab bag I just showed you there. And like I said, they were only $4. This is what and it's attached to the bag, and it was only $4. Micheals' finest, I call it. So here's grab bag number two. Grab bag number two. All right. Plus I got the twine in the first bag, so I'm going to keep that stacked together. And let's go ahead and open this up. Pull the tag off it, open it up. See what's in here. Oh, okay. Here are some more miniature pink roses, some red ones. And like I said, these were originally $2. This bag is full of bunches or stems here. Pink. Some more fingernail files. Here's a little toy here for a little kid, so I could put this in the birthday bag for a little boy. Was a dinosaur, and this was originally $8. It went on clearance for 25, and it was part of this grab bag for $4. Okay, here's some more of those Beauty Bar tweezers. And there's three tweezers in here, plus the carrying case, as I mentioned. Some more pink and white twine. Oh, wow. Okay, we have some silicone that you can make chocolates, or it's ice, or make ice trays. And these feature, looks like, I don't know what character this is. Oh, Spider-Man. So it's a Spider-Man ice tray, but I've also seen people use these for chocolate molds. So there again, I could put these in someone's birthday bag, preferably a little boy, since they do this symbol here when they want to shoot. Okay, these are silk geraniums. My sister-in-law has red ones in her yard, and these were originally $7.99 just for this one bunch, and it was in this $4 grab bag, so that's pretty good. Yeah, and some more red roses, miniature roses. This is really nice. This is so cool. Here are some more miniature roses. So I can say, I would say maybe 10 or 12. This bag was a little heavier. 10 or 12 bunches of miniature roses at $2.99 each. And then, $2 each. And then those geraniums were, what did we say? The geraniums were $7.99. So that's pretty good out of a $4 grab bag. And we can use them to decorate home or church, or like I said, I go visit the sick, and I take a little basket, and I can just put that in for some decor to pretty it up. So I just wanted to share that with you. So check out your local Micheals and just ask, I guess, someone that works there if they have any grab bags, and then maybe ask what month do they feature the grab bags. I'm thinking since this is fall, these are all summer leftovers that were on clearance and they didn't move, so these grab bags are created. And just wanted to share that good information. So run out to your local Micheals before they're all gone. All right, and then we have to leave you a word today, and our word today would be faith. Faith is believing. So believe in yourself. Believe that your dreams will come true. Believe that your pain will go away. Believe that your healing will come. Believe that your family will stick together. Believe that you'll get that promotion on your job. Believe that that marriage will work. But just believe and trust in the Lord. All right. Thanks for tuning in to Brenda's Bread Moments. Talk to you later. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and submit. Bye. And comment.